The 48th ASEAN Economic Ministers Meeting, or AEM 48, and related meetings kicked off in Vientiane, Laos on August 3rd, focusing on economic cooperation among 10 member countries, as well as between the group and its partners. The 4th of August, Day 2 of the 48th ASEAN Economic Ministers Meeting, or AEM 48, and related meetings hosted by Laos allowed ASEAN economic ministers and dialogue partners discuss focusing on economic cooperation among the 10 member countries, as well as between the group and its partners. It is highlighted that the establishment of the ASEAN Economic Community, or AEC, in 2015 was an historical milestone in ASEAN economic integration, making the association a competitive area with strong global integration. However, the AEC is just a starting point for the grouping's economic integration, he said, stressing that ASEAN should continue stepping forward by means of a specific strategy while fulfilling the AEC Blueprint 2015. During the annual event, ministers are scheduled to debate the issues and agreements reached during the 22nd ASEAN Economic Retreat in Chiang Mai, Thailand in March this year, while designing plan of action focusing on the 8 priorities of the ASEAN economic pillar. At the same time, the ministers will also discuss criteria and orientations for the building of the AEC, as well as plan the direction to implement the AEC Blueprint 2025. Lao Minister of Industry and Commerce, Madam Khemani Phonsena, led the Lao delegation at the event. The AEC 48 is an important event where ministers are preparing the agenda for the 29th ASEAN Summit and related meetings taking place in September this year in Vientiane.